Hi, do you ever have overripe bananas and you wonder, what am I going to do with them? If I don't use them up straight away, they're just going to go to waste. Well, I've got the answer for you. I'm in that situation myself today. And so I've made in the past banana bread, and I've got a go-to banana citrus cake that I make, but I just wanted something different. So today I'm going to be making wholemeal banana bar, and come along with me and you'll learn how to make it too. We're going to be using 2 eggs, pinch of salt. I don't think you can see it in that bowl there. Now I've got my milk measured into half a cup and 1 cup, and you'll see why that is later. I've got 3 mashed bananas. I have 1 3/4 cups of wholemeal self-raising flour. I have 125 grams of margarine, 250 grams of chopped dates, half a cup of brown sugar, and 100 grams of salted peanuts. Just over here I have a loaf pan which I have sprayed with oil, which we're going to be using, and I have already set the oven on 160 degrees fan forced, so that's heating while we make the cake. The first thing we're going to do is to sift our flour. So we'll just sift that. Now this is wholemeal flour, so it's got a lot of the wholemeal in there. So I'm just making sure that there's no lumps in the actual flour, and then I'm putting all that in there. Okay, we add the salt. Now the next thing we need to do is to take our margarine and we add that 1/4 cup of milk. I'm just going to pop that in the microwave and melt that. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to beat the eggs. Then we're going to add the 1 cup of milk to our eggs. And we're mixing that through. And here is the margarine milk mixture that we just melted the margarine into the milk. And we're just going to be adding that and just mixing that through. Okay, we'll just add this to our flour. And then we add the mashed banana. The sugar and the dates. And now we just mix it all together. Okay, now we're just going to put it into our prepared tin. Okay, so we're just putting that now in our prepared tin. And there we have it. We're just going to pop it in the oven now, and we'll cook it for 40 to 45 minutes, and we'll come back when that's done. Oh, one thing I forgot. We need to sprinkle it with our peanuts. Now this is an optional part. If you don't like peanuts or you don't want them in there, just leave them out. It won't affect it at all. There we go, we can pop it in the oven now. If you're enjoying this video and you'd like to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the future videos, what you need to do is give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and then ding 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 on the notification bell. That way you'll always be notified when there's a new video.